Welcome back to T-Mez TV. Today we're gonna work on the race car. We've been working on this thing and it is non-stop. I haven't been filming a lot, but we had this little project with the radiator and let's get into it. All right, so we made this radiator tray and the thing kind of just has a lot of movement, and with the way that neck is, it's not that easy to get in and out. It was kind of rubbing here, so we're gonna do something a little different and kind of film it all with my buddy John.
Death wheel. I need safety glasses first.
Safety glasses and then death wheel. That was a little too close for that, John. Really nice. It does cut really nice. But the risk over reward for me is too high. That's what I don't like about it. This would be neat if you had like a nice bandsaw, you know?
Got what you got.
That's what you got. Okay, yeah. Hey, that thing reminds me of one of those big icy pops when you were a kid. Oh, look at this. I didn't realize we had this, and this is clutch for grinding tires, and portable tools are awesome. I got to pull off these two tabs here. Can I? I got safety glasses too.
Well, okay.
He likes to do everything.
You want me to hold that?
Danger.
I'm doing something I've never done. Let somebody cut on a race car without my hands.
You're saying that and just break it?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that was kind of slick.
And then we'll just sand those little nubbies down, and then we don't get no grind marks on everything.
Yeah, I like that. Perfect. And less grindage. I hate the cutoff wheel because there's shit everywhere. But it is effective. Very fastly. Is fastly a word?
I guess in T-Mez world.
It is now. Turns out that cool shot just hurt the camera lens, but hey, footage is forever.
Sacrifice the camera for the shot.
Yes. You're gonna have to heat it up to bend it?
I don't know, we're gonna see if we got to heat it up.
Oh, with this thing not bolted down, there's no way that's happening. There's no way.
Yeah.
Check out all these goodies. Jacob slap. Well, after
It's
a bend.
supposed to be like that.
What'd you go with here? You starting over again?
No, gotta make spares, bud.
Did you make one?
Huh, they're a little hot to touch, so we're going on to the next one.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I see. Making parts. I was getting us a whiteboard over here. Yep.
He's organized. I'm destructive.
Destructive. No. Well, there's so many things to do. I was watching him thinking, I better do something. So, doing something. Heat and a hammer. Oh, better not melt this one. All right, we got some little parts made, and we're gonna do the old J&J radiator deal. If you know, you know. If you don't, you're about to find out. So John has this theory, and it's working out, and it's starting to grow on me, that if you're gonna make one, you might as well make, 4 or 5, or as many as you think you're gonna need. Which, how many is that?
We're gonna go 3 because you can crash 2, then you don't got none.
Oh yeah. One is none. Yeah.
2 is 1, and you know the rest.
Yeah. So we're building an army over here of midget parts.
You just spin it in, lock it in. It's good. You won't rattle nowhere. Be in. Sweet. What do you think, Thomas? I think we should just cut
I was
it
getting
off.
the camera. I didn't hear the conversation.
I think I need to cut this back off and put the other neck that was on there back on. Now that we found this hose, and then this will be a push on real easy.
That is a pretty slick hose, but
And we can go get some more. I mean, that's exactly what we need right there.
no, that's just more work. Don't. So here is our fancy little radiator mount. He's about to weld some tabs on. This is what he's been making. We took some 1/8 inch rod. No, 3/8 solid cold rolled steel, 1 1.25 inch bolt, and some hardware. We're gonna place this dude right in there. Tab there. Boom, boom, boom. Clock it. It tightens it. You like to watch the blue birdie. While John is doing circle track around that tab, I just want to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to go like and subscribe. Just down here, one part at a time when we're building race cars. And thank goodness we got John. He's got a fab shop here to build stuff. And pretty excited to start my new adventure with the MF1, the EA Stealth, Tim Engler, Chuck, my friends, and this new hot rod headed out west. All right. So this is our little, we got adjuster nuts, push those in. John's little part he's been working on. Moment of truth if it slips by that little duder. There it is. Booyah. Booyah. Slow down. There we go.
And we'll turn it to the side. Turn it to the side.
So then you kind of do that to turn it, to lock it in place. Then it can't move anywhere. That is pretty slick. I like those. I'm gonna get those all tightened up so this thing's in place.
Oh, Daddy likes that.
Yes.
Oh,
That is really nice. That
Tim will
doesn't-
like that a lot better.
Doesn't move at all.
And it's got rubber insulation. Oh yeah, beautiful.
That is
We can drop that tray and slide the hose on.
all right. Well, that is a wrap on mounting our radiator. And yeah, tons of fun little projects like that this week. All right. We got it all tightened up. Everything in place, and this thing won't move at all. This thing is sweet. Keeping the radiator in place. One of the few things we have left is some shock cables, and really I feel like making spares and figuring out how to load this thing in the trailer. Oh yeah, we got another car to build.
And that is a wrap. Don't forget to go check out my last video testing the brand new car. And thanks for watching. If you want some merch, shoptimez.com for some slider die gear. We are headed out west with the new car next week. Can't wait.